Hello everyone. Today, we're going to take a look at XRP's trading outlook from February 1st to February 4th, using Vedic astrology, also known as Jyotish, and break it down through time-based market flow. Before we begin, I want to make one thing clear. This video is not investment advice or a guaranteed prediction. It's meant to be used as a reference, based on market flow and time cycle energy. All trading decisions and responsibility are your own. Early February can be summed up very simply. This is not an easy market to make money in, but a very easy market to lose money if you're careless. Looking at XRP from February 1st through the 4th, we see repeated attempts to move higher, followed by strong shakeouts, multiple fake directional signals, and then a short-term conclusion. This is not a clean trend market. It's a testing phase, where market makers shake price action to pressure retail traders emotionally and structurally. And especially on February 2nd and 3rd, the risk of liquidations, stop-loss hits, and emotional chase entries increases sharply. From a Vedic astrology perspective, three forces stand out during this period. First is the influence of the moon. Emotions are amplified, and even small price movements can trigger extreme fear or excessive optimism. That's why long upper and lower wicks are likely to appear frequently. Second is the influence of Mars. Mars represents conflict and sudden action. Sharp pumps followed by quick dumps, or sudden drops followed by violent rebounds, are very typical under this energy. Third is the pressure of Saturn. Saturn separates those who can endure from those who are forced to exit. In practical terms, this means leverage traders will find this period especially difficult to navigate. Now let's go day by day. February 1st is the day that looks the most hopeful on the surface. Technical rebound expectations grow, and many traders start thinking, is this the real move up? During the early hours, volume is thin and direction is unclear. From the morning into midday, price may test support one more time, and even if a rebound follows, it's more likely a trap than a true breakout. As the day moves into the afternoon, the risk of long upper wicks increases. The key point for February 1st is simple: avoid chasing price just because it's moving up. Now we move to the most important day, February 2nd. To be completely honest, this is the most dangerous day in the entire February 1st to 4th window. Volatility stays high throughout the day. Price can suddenly reverse direction without warning, and just when it feels like the move is over, the market can violently swing the other way. There are specific time windows that require extra caution, from 4 to 6 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and 6 to 8 p.m. During these periods, stop-loss hunting, pump and dump moves, and dump then reversal patterns can all occur. If you're using high leverage on this day, even holding a position can become mentally exhausting. Personally, I see February 2nd not as a day to chase profits, but as a day to reduce risk. February 3rd is the day the market tries to reorganize itself after the chaos. However, this direction should not be mistaken for a confirmed mid or long-term trend. The morning may start quietly, then price can push in one direction late morning. By the afternoon, counter pressure often appears again. The key point here is that the market is likely to retest the highs or lows formed on February 2nd. Positions that survive this test may find some breathing room into February 4th, but aggressive new entries are not recommended. February 4th is close to a short-term conclusion. Rather than large directional moves, this day tends to show position closing, profit-taking, and forced exits. It's less about opening new trades and more about managing what you already have and preparing for the next phase. To summarize the strategy for February 1st through 4th, use partial entries and partial exits, reduce leverage, and respect your stop-loss levels without emotion. Above all, chasing a sudden pump on February 2nd while thinking, this time is different, is the one mistake to avoid. This is not a market where the person who predicts correctly wins. It's a market where the person who survives wins. Today, we reviewed XRP's trading outlook from February 1st to February 4th through the lens of Vedic astrology. I hope this gives you a solid reference point for your own trading decisions. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll go deeper into liquidation risk windows and specific long and short Diang scenarios. Thank you for watching.